For this job, we will require a 1/2 inch wrench, a 3/4 inch socket, a 3/4 inch wrench, a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch drive ratchet. It's your choice. 15/16 socket, 15/16 wrench. And optional, you can use a 3/8 inch drive battery powered impact. Lube the O-rings with grease before installation. Wrap the upper ball seats with electrical tape. Install the upper seats, upper spacer, check balls, and O-rings. Use grease on the O-rings for assembly. Use thread sealer on the upper ball stop pins and lube the O-rings with grease. Install the upper ball stop pins. Install the upper manifold and retaining nuts. Tighten the upper ball stop pins. Install the lower check ball seat with the check ball on top of the seat. Tighten the set screw to retain the seat. Install lower O-rings. Be sure to use grease to hold the O-rings in place. Install the lower manifold inside retaining nuts first. Be sure the O-rings are still in the groove. Reinstall all of the remaining retaining nuts.